are you being? Just a tiny little prince? Is that what you're being? Is a tiny little prince? Oh, look at this prince. Oh, you just don't get this handsome. Oh, it's squeezy. Oh, cutie. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a boy here, as always. It's such a little cutie. So today I'm going to be doing a review of something so cool, and I'm so excited for this. I'm going to be doing a little review of the Fenty Beauty. I want to lick this, of the Moroccan Spice palette, and then I also have a couple other goodies in this box that Fenty Beauty sent me, which I'm just like, I'm dying over this. So we have a couple lipsticks, which I'm going to swatch. We also have two brushes, which I'm super excited to use, an eyeliner and then an eyeshadow base as well. And like this palette, this is the superstar of today's video. Look at this stunning packaging. It's like a beautiful smoke show, and the actual palette. I'm so excited to do a look at this. I don't even know what I'm going to do. This blue is like really speaking to me. I don't know yet, but let's get into priming the eye so we can throw this shit on my face. Yes, boy, you love it. Oh, can we see his, oh, I love him. I have done my base already. I have not primed my eyes. I just put a little concealer and a little bit of powder on there. I'm going to start off with the Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. I can't get this out. So this is what it looks like. It has a cute little doe foot applicator. Okay, my boy, what do you want to do? Yeah, we got to figure it out because I need the mirror. So we're going to either... Okay, so I'm going to bop some of this on my upper eyelids, and then I'm also going to drag some right underneath my bottom as well, and then just blend it out. Ooh, it's really sticky. Oh, got my hair. Ooh. So when I look at this palette, obviously the color that like jumps out to me is this like purple right here. That's just right up my alley, but I actually think I'm gonna start off in my crease with this guy right here, which that is called Spice Trip. So I think I'm gonna take this, and this is gonna just go right into my crease. This brush is really soft. This brush is the Tapered blending brush 210. I believe it's synthetic, and this has a lot of pigment, so all right, let's keep going. So this Fenty blending brush, this is a really nice brush to like pack it on and kind of blend it out a little bit. But I'm also taking this Inglot 6SS brush and just kind of really blowing it out on the edges. This is a natural hair brush, and it has a really like serious taper to it, and it's super fluffy. And this is just one of my favorite brushes, so I must use this for this. See, it gives it that like, that's what I like. Also, fuck, this eyeshadow primer is so sticky. Look at that. That's crazy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this deeper purple shade called Fez Up, and I'm also going to put that on my eyelid, but more kind of directly into the crease here. I guess I'm just gonna pat it on like this. I don't know. Then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a little bit of this Quicksand shade, and I'm gonna blend that right on top of this, just so it has a little bit of a feather into this lighter, almost peachy tone. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this like super dark charcoaly gray borderline almost black, but not quite. It's more like gunmetal. That's a really big explanation of a color. And I think I'm gonna do a halo eye, which I haven't done in forever. So I'm just kind of like placing this, you know, as I do for a halo eye on the outer and inner bits here. And I think I might put that gorgeous blue right in the center. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hi boy, he's back. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty All Over Shadow Brush for this. Alrighty, I had like a tiny little bit of fallout on that dark shadow. But, ooh, it wipes away really easy. But like, I'm actually really impressed that for these eyeshadows, there's been like hardly any fallout. And like, even with like Urban Decay, like I'll always get a little, what am I doing here? A little fallout, so I'm like really impressed. What I'm gonna do now is, for my typical halo eye, I always kind of cut out the crease eyelid a little bit. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the new concealer. I highly recommend this. I love it a lot. And I'm just going to be using, this is a NYX number 28 brush. And I'm just gonna, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet here. I want it to be like to a point. I don't know, we'll see. I applied this a little bit bigger than I wanted to, and I'm gonna go back in with that deep shade and just build up the sides just a tiny little bit, just popping some color there, and then I'm gonna go straight in with the blue. I'm also just going to take a bit of that blue and just pop it on with my finger, just because sometimes eyeshadows need to pop with your finger. Ooh, it's very dark, isn't it? There we go. There's really not a lot of fallout. Hey, yeah. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to do for my bottom lash line. What should I do, guys? I think I might smoke this red out underneath there. I think I might do that. I'm gonna take a Rimmel, oh my god, I have something in my eye. I'm gonna take a Rimmel Scandalized eyeliner, pop that into my waterline, and then I'm gonna buff it out a bit. Ah, it'll never get easier. And on the same Furless Cosmetics brush, I am going to take this beautiful red and pop that right underneath there. I just have like a mini Urban Decay brush. I love this for blending my bottom lash line, so I'm just making sure it's pretty smoked out there-ish. Okay, I think that's it for eyeshadow. I think. I do need an inner tear duct highlight, so I'm just popping a little bit of that concealer just to use as a base for in here. And what the heck, let's go with the lightest shade. Ooh. Like that. And then, so these two glitter shades right here, they're kind of like glitter toppers, as in they're like kind of like a super sheer eyeshadow. So I think, do I want to just pat one? Yeah, I'm just gonna pat one ever so gently just on top of the blue. I'm going for this more like goldy one, just to add a little bit of different dimension to the look, you know, spice it up a bit. Haha, get it? At this point, we're going to be trying the eyeliner by Fenty Beauty. and this is called the FlyLiner liquid eyeliner. So the tip is a felt tip liner, and we're just gonna go for, I'm not gonna do a huge wing or anything. I'm just gonna like pretty much line my eyes because my shape sucks for wings. Oh yeah. God, I have not put eyeliner on in like forever. Do I even remember how to do it? That's the question. There we go. I just want a thin line. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see the difference, but what is? This eyeliner is like decent. I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel like I'd have to do like a look with like eyeliner in order to like see if I like really love this. I'm finding it to be like super like liquidy, and then it kind of like settles down almost. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna shut up and stop speaking on it. But when I put it on my hand, it kind of almost like, it's like a calligraphy pen ink. Does that make sense? I don't know. But anyway, let's put some lashes on. I've decided to put on quite a huge lash, and I am going to be using the Esquito lash adhesive. This is like all dried up, so it's more of like a paste-ish. Ooh, these lashes are big. But I think the look is deserving of them. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alrighty, there's the eye look finished-ish. I don't know. It's my first day back after 2 months off, guys, so let's be nice. Now, I do need to swatch the 3 lipsticks. Oh, also, I wanted to mention, I washed my hands, and look what's still on my hand. Look how waterproof this eyeliner is. Damn. Okay, so let's swatch some lipsticks now. No idea what color these are, so I'm just gonna go one by one, and we're gonna start with, oh my god, this lipstick is stuck in the cap. Oh my god. Oh, this looks like such a nice color too. I wonder if I can get it out. Oh my god, no. I haven't even like looked at these or anything. No. Oh. I'm still gonna use this though. Ew, 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 ew. Ew. Oh, this is not what I want for this lipstick. No. Okay, this might be messy. Okay, even though this bullet lipstick was like actually like fucked up, the color's beautiful and it actually applied pretty well. Like, look at my lines on my lips. Yes, honey, yes. This formula is so pigmented and it's so creamy. I feel like I would maybe get it everywhere. I would need to set this with something because we all know me. It would like be on my back somehow. But that one's shoddy. 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 Next lip shade up is called Madame. What a cute little name. Holy Dinah. Okay, so this one is a matte. This boy behind me. I have not applied a matte lipstick onto my lips from a bullet lipstick in I don't even know how long. It's been a while. So that's Madame. That is a beautiful, beautiful red. Wow, my makeup is dark today. I love it. There you have it. A beautiful blue tone matte red. It's still like creamy though. It's not like too disgustingly dry, which is nice. That's always nice. Oh my god, this is getting messy. I've lost my touch on how to remove lipstick in one swipe. Now the last lipstick I'm going to be trying is called Griselda, and this is also a plush matte lipstick. They're all plush mattes, except the first one that I tried on was so creamy, maybe because, what's on my thumb here? Eyeliner. Anyway, let's try it on. Ooh. Oh, I like this color. Okay, here we go. All right, there is Griselda. Griselda? Griselda. 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 Alright guys, there is the finished look with all of the lip swatches done for you using the new Moroccan collection by Fenty Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have a little sleepy baby here. I just really need to share this little peanut. Look at, she's so sleepy. Oh, this little foot. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Won't we, baby? I'm sorry I woke you up from your little sleep. All she does is sleep. Little Babs. So sweetie pie. Oh, kitty cat. Ooh, mama. Okay, bye guys.